Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how you can become a Semrush affiliate partner. If you're not familiar with Semrush, it's a leading digital marketing tool that offers a wide range of features to help businesses improve their online presence. As an affiliate partner, you can earn attractive commissions by promoting Semrush to your audience. So let's dive in and learn how to become Semrush affiliate partner in 2023. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. And of course, first we'll have to start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. So whatever preferred browser you have, open it and go to this URL section, simply type Semrush affiliates and hit the enter button. As you can see, make sure to click on this first link right here, and that will take you right away to the Semrush affiliate program link. As you can see, do you have an affiliate program? So they have an affiliate program. As you can see, you can simply click on this link provided here. And as you can see, you'll be able to join their program right away from here. You can get paid every step of the way. Of course, you can get $200 for every new subscription sale and $10 for every new trial and 0.01 for the new sign up. As you can see here, six great reasons to join, 40 plus tools, and a lot of other stuff. So make sure to go and read that all by your own, of course, if you want to join their affiliates program. So as an example, let's just close this and click on join now. Simply, if you want to join in their affiliates program, of course, we'll have to wait for this page until they check our connection is secure. And now I'll have to sign up and simply for their affiliates program. So as you can see, make sure to read this construct terms and click on accept. And here, of course, you can sign up with your email or sign up with one of your Apple accounts, Facebook accounts, Google account, Twitter, or even LinkedIn. Or if you have an account already, make sure to just sign in into it. For me, I'm just going to use Google as an example to create an account. So let's just wait, of course. And here, of course, I'll have to enter first name, last name, the email number, and here I'll have to put a number as an example. So I'm just going to put something random for you. Make sure to put everything accurate. And of course, make sure to check this option. I have read and accept the partner user agreements and master campaign agreement. So make sure to go and read them both so you don't have any conflicts or any something, so nothing will happen wrong. You will be aware of everything. And if you want to receive, as you can see, the latest partnership news via the email and from impacts.com, make sure to check this button. If you don't, just don't check it and click on get started. Okay, let me just put an accurate number here. So here, let me just put this number as an example and click on get started. Okay, so maybe I should not add these and click on get started. And now, of course, I'll have to go and enter the code that they sent me to that number. Once I enter the code, of course, I'll be applying or I will apply to the SEMrush affiliate program. So simply now, let's just go and enter their website. And for you, of course, you'll have just to wait for them until they reply to your application. So while you're waiting for your application to be approved, you can take some time to familiarize yourself with SEMrush features and benefits. Of course, you can explore the keywords research, competitor analysis, and even the site audits and other tools that can help your business or other people businesses enhance their digital marketing strategies. Of course, this knowledge will enable you to effectively promote the SEMrush to your audience. And let's say, as an example, you get approved. So once you're approved, you can simply, as a SEMrush affiliate, you can simply start creating valuable and engaging content that provides value to your audience. Consider or producing tutorials and case studies or success stories that showcase how SEMrush can help businesses to achieve their digital marketing goals. Incorporate also your affiliate link to track referrals. And of course, you will have to promote this same rush through your marketing channels. So utilize your marketing channels, such as your blog, YouTube channel if you have one. If you have even a blog, as we said, some social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, or email lists. Of course, to promote SEMrush, share your content and actively highlight the benefits and features of SEMrush that can help businesses succeed online. Remember to disclose your affiliates relationship transparently. And let's say, as an example, you get declined. So you can simply go and apply again whenever you want. As an example, you can even contact their email, as an example, or their support to ask them why you didn't get accepted for their affiliates program. And once they answer you, you can work on the thing that they decline you for. As an example, if you don't have enough followers or something like that, make sure to work on it and go and apply for it again, and you will get approved, I guess, on the second time. If the second time did not work, maybe third time. So keep trying for yourself. And of course, once you're approved, as we said, make sure to do the advices that I said and even track your affiliates performance and optimize it. So you can monitor your affiliates performance using the same Rush affiliate dashboard. You can simply go and log in to your partner account on the affiliates program, of course, and you'll be able to see everything on the affiliate dashboard or a reporting tool. You can keep track of your clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. And of course, you can analyze the data to identify the most effective promotion strategies and optimize your approach to maximize your earning and as a SEMrush affiliates partner. You can even, of course, once you have a solid foundation, you can explore advanced strategies to boost your earnings as a SEMrush affiliates partner. You can even consider collaborating with other influencers in the same socials that you're working on, or other ones, as an example, or experts in the digital marketing space. And of course, you can even guest posting or on relevant blog or relevant blogs or leveraging paid advertising, because this helps a lot to expand your reach and attract new customers, because the customers that you have maybe in your social media or your blog or I don't know, they might not be interested to this, as an example. So you would like to have or reach other customers or other followers so they can join your affiliates, or they can join the SEMrush through you by your referral link. So when you do that, of course, you'll get commissions for it and you will have a good income. So, if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. You've learned how to become a SEMrush affiliates partner and potentially earn commissions by promoting their powerful digital marketing tools. Just remember to provide the value to your audience and stay consistent and continuously optimize your efforts. And of course, just remember that the SEMrush affiliates program offers a fantastic opportunity to monetize your digital marketing efforts. So don't miss that chance. So if you like this video, make sure to go down below and leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. And happy affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.